the RedMagic 9 Pro has stormed into the tech scene, setting the tone for 2024 with its vibrant RGB aesthetics and an exceptional gaming experience. While its reign may not endure indefinitely, it does excel in several aspects compared to its competitors, despite their ongoing advancements. This latest iteration showcases noticeable enhancements that go beyond typical annual phone upgrades. The battery has expanded, matched with a faster charger, and the design exhibits greater maturity, especially with the glowing lights switched off. Certain core aspects remain consistent. The price remains competitive, the chipset is more robust than ever, and it retains key gaming features like a cooling fan, capacitive triggers, and an array of in-game tools, appealing particularly to gamers who relish tweaking gaming settings. The arrival of formidable competitors early next year might push the RedMagic 9 Pro to the sidelines. Nevertheless, as this review demonstrates, it stands firm as one of the top gaming phones, offering impressive performance at a reasonable price. Pre-orders for the RedMagic 9 Pro kick off on December 27, followed by open sales starting January 3, 2024. Exclusively through RedMagic's online store, the standard variant with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage is priced at $649, $879 mine, while the superior 16-512 GB edition goes for $799. At its standard price, the RedMagic 9 Pro undercuts the Google Pixel 8 and OnePlus 11, but is slightly pricier than the Galaxy S23. In contrast, the top-tier model's most direct competitors, the Galaxy S23 and iPhone 15, share similar prices in the US, but are more expensive than the RedMagic in the UK. The RedMagic 9 Pro features fewer cameras than its predecessors, boasting 3 in total, a 50-amp main and 50-amp ultra-wide on the back, alongside a 60-amp selfie camera discreetly positioned under the display. Although lacking a macro camera typically included more for list completeness than practical photography, the RedMagic's camera setup still delivers passable images, particularly from its rear cameras. Since comparing these cameras to the Google Pixel 8 Pro equivalents reveals the Pixel's superiority, especially in capturing finer details and color vibrancy. For instance, in a street shot in London's Archway neighborhood, the RedMagic's image lacks the vibrancy and detail richness evident in the Pixel's image. Additionally, in an ultra-wide shot of St. John's Church, while the RedMagic's increased contrast provides a dramatic effect, the Google shot delivers better color balance, showcasing the building's finer nuances. Regarding selfies, the RedMagic 9 Pro's under-display camera poses limitations due to its need to capture through a layer of pixels. Despite improvements over previous iterations, it doesn't match the quality of a standard punch-hole camera as seen in comparisons with the Pixel 8 Pro's selfie. While the RedMagic 9 Pro doesn't outshine the Pixel 8 Pro in camera performance, considering their similar pricing, it offers a compelling alternative focused more on gaming credentials. At the core of the RedMagic 9 Pro lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, marking RedMagic as one of the first to bring this latest generation to the market. Coupled with either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR 5X RAM and 256GB or 512GB of UPS 4.0 storage, depending on the version, its Red Core 2 Pro gaming chip aids the Snapdragon's power, specifically for gaming features. While benchmarking tests are pending in our lab, gaming trials with Asphalt 9, Legends, Grid to a Port, and Genshin Impact show comparable performance between the RedMagic 9 Pro and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which runs on the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. However, in Genshin Impact at max settings, the RedMagic outperformed the S23 Ultra, exhibiting fewer frame rate hiccups. Despite running on newer silicon, the RedMagic's full potential might not be evident yet due to the optimization of the 8 Gen 2 chip for games not leveraging the latest chip capabilities. Hence, the RedMagic